This is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So first you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Apps and Services category, onwards open the Apps list, find the app that you would like to clear the data for, open its storage space, and edit. You can change let me find some other app that actually has some cache. Okay, so that will do. So at the storage page of your respective app, you can either exclusively erase cache by tapping at the clear cache button, or you can clear app data, including cache, by going for the clear data. Okay, and as you can see, both user data and cache were successfully deleted. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.